I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, gotta watch the time.
Okay, so this is not a tutorial, but here I am cutting my hair in half because I am doing bob length knotless braids. So I'm cutting the hair in half and I'm feathering it out the bottom. So here I'm parting my hair, pre-parting. So I parted my hair in 4 sections first, and then, you know, I did half and half, sections it off, boom. Then, you know, I'm braiding feet ends. This isn't really a tutorial, but, and y'all can't see how I did it anyway because my hair was in the way, but this is how I did it. I added 3 strands of hair in each section, and the strands like I added weren't big, they were like little, so they could replicate my real thickness of my hair. But overall, my braids were thicker than my real hair, but like not too much, if y'all get what I'm saying.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl. I'm outside in an AMG.
Okay. Okay, so the braids is like short. Like these not how the ends gonna look, because once I'm done, I'm gonna put the beads, but like I'm gonna make them shorter because these not the length I want. I want them like my real hair length, but like they longer because the hair long. But I cut the hair in half. Anyways, I don't know. I don't like them right now because I'm not done with them yet. But like, I don't know. Ooh, this camera thing. It's been a while since I updated y'all, but I'm like done. This is the last section I got, and it's at the top, and I don't like my hair so far because I never did short braids like this before, but I'm cutting it so that they could be like bob length and stuff, and they too thick, so I had to go to the store and get some bigger beads with like bigger holes. So yeah, but yeah, it's not that bad. Maybe I just don't like it, so I'm not done yet, but we'll see. I feel cute, kind of like. Yeah. So this is not a tutorial, but like I don't feel like telling y'all how I parted my hair and stuff because I haven't even kept track of it. I just been doing stuff. But yeah, I tried to part as straight as I can. I got a mirror back here. Like I'm doing the best I can by myself. So yeah. Like I don't even know where, I don't know, like I'm just winging this whole process, to be honest, y'all. So I'm done with my hair, obviously. It's okay. But right now I'm trying to put the beads at the end, right? These braids is too long. Like I want them to be my regular hair, right? But like I don't know where my regular hair ends at. So like I'm cutting them. Like I don't know where my regular hair ends at, so like not me finna cut my hair off on accident, but my hair is really this long for real. Like it goes right here, at least I hope so. I don't know, I really don't know. Let me show you how I do it. So this is what I have so far. Yeah, so this one in the back not gonna be lined up. But so yeah, I make sure this one is like at least lined up with the other ones. And I know I'm not cutting my real hair because like my hair don't go all the way down to the tip of like these things. So like, you know, I don't know where my hair stopped at, but I know I'm not cutting it. So I wrap it around till it gets like real tight and I can't wrap around no more. Right. Then I cut this excess off. Then slide it down. Hold on, because it's trying to play with me. Yeah, there we go. Not it coming out good. Okay, but yeah, I gotta do this side, and I hope I got enough beads. I don't know if I got enough beads, y'all. But yeah, I'm using these beads. I got 3 packs of these beads from the beauty supply, and I don't know if every beauty supply got the same brand of stuff, but I got 3 packs of that, and it's it's clear, well, clear, half white ones. Clear ones that got like glitter inside. Whites. And, oh wait. Like marble type ones. This is a whole bunch of different assortments. I should have enough. Some braids just gonna have 2, some braids just gonna have 3, maybe some braids gonna have 1, but who knows? Is it just me, or like when I'm like doing my hair, like when I have my hair done, I just become like 10 times hotter? Like, I don't understand. Like I'm just looking like, you know, like. Okay, so I finally finished my hair, and I think it's lopsided. Like, let me show y'all from this angle. Like, this side longer than this side. Well, actually, it's not noticeable. But like, y'all, I think I ate. I got 1 blonde braid. Wait, where'd it go? I got 1 blonde braid just there. And that's kind of irritating. But like, who cares? Live life. Live, laugh, love. And wrap my hair up. I didn't dip my ends. And I wanted to dip my ends. But like, I didn't know how I was going to have the ends of my hair. Like, I just figured this out. But like, I don't think there's no point to dip it, because the beads gonna weigh the braids down, and like, you don't gotta worry about them being stiff. And you don't gotta worry about sealing the ends, because you got a rubber band and some beads. I started my hair at 9 a.m. and it is now, I can't see the time, but I think it's 12 a.m. It took me that long to do my hair because I kept taking breaks in between, but like, I got done with my hair in a day, almost. So yeah, I know this video wasn't really nothing, but like, I wanted to record something. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Why not? And follow all my social medias, links in the bio, description. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I make. Maybe I could do I'm gonna make a video on different hairstyles to do with knotless braids with beads. Okay. Bye.